Here's some free Otis 2000 traction lifts at Moorlands wing at the Wesley Hospital. Red Dewhurst US 91-15. Got to level 4. Cavity. Also got floor path passing beeps. Here it is. We'll go to booth number 1. That's the bottom. Going up?
Yes, going up.
To which level?
2. Thank you.
Alright, we'll see. Red Dewhurst US 91-15. You are at level 1. Sorry, level 2. And that's it.